All right, so this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and today we're going to do the OHORA gel nails. So these are nail strips that are made of gel. What you're going to start with first is a cuticle pusher, and you're just going to make sure all your cuticles are pushed back. Then you take an emery board and you're going to rough up the surface of your nail just a little bit. And then I like to go ahead and take a prep pad and wipe off any of that dust that might be left over. Now I'm going to take the strips and I'm going to size them to my nail, and I'm going to find the one that's going to fit perfectly, and I use the scissors to just trim that piece out. Now there's a clear protective layer on the top of this gel nail strip, so I'm just going to peel that off of the backing. Easier said than done though, right? All right, so now I have the gloss strip on a transparent backing. Now I want to make sure that I take the prep pad and I got the oil off my fingernail, and now I'm going to place that gel nail strip onto the nail, making sure that I can stretch it to fit if it's a little shy. Then I cut off the excess and I put that on a back of that clear plastic so that I can save it for later. Then I trim off any excess that you see with the scissors. And then I take the little emery board and I file downward, and then I kind of smooth out any edges that might be rough. Now I'm going to do that for all of my nails. The beauty of this particular type of nail is that you set them by using the UV light that you get with the sets for free, and then it's cured. Now I like to personally go in with a top coat. This is called Top It Off by Gelish, and that's the brand name. And I'm just going to give this a really nice gel top coat, and then I'm going to go back to my UV light, and I actually got my bigger UV light out this time, and I'm going to cure basically those nails. I will leave them in there for about a minute to a minute and a half. Now what I'm pumping onto my little cloth right there is a special Gelish formula that will remove the stickiness of the Top It Off. So I'm just taking that residue off the top. My nails are done and they look incredible. Now this gel nail set lasts me at least 2 weeks, if not longer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back soon.